100 antonyms in English. Big, small, hot, cold, fast, slow, old, young, easy, hard, light, dark, strong, weak, early, late, rich, poor, tall, short, open, closed, thick, tall, full, empty, new, old, right, wrong, soft, hard, heavy, light, near, far, clean, dirty, quiet, loud, true, false, inside, outside, brave, scared, kind, cruel, deep, shallow, up, down, sweet, bitter, sharp, dull, wet, dry, admit, deny, polite, rude, arrive, leave, active, lazy, useful, useless, safe, dangerous, calm, angry, buy, sell, give, take, win, lose, strong, fragile, start, finish, laugh, cry, allow, forbid, borrow, lend, awake, asleep, love, hate, accept, reject, arrive, depart, create, destroy, assist, hinder, expand, shrink, succeed, fail, grow, decline, attack, defense, lead, follow, fix, break, improve, decrease, join, separate, keep, discard, learn, forget, move, stay, pass, fail, praise, criticize, cool, warm, rise, fall, open, shut, permit, deny, push, pull, save, spend, send, receive, show, hide, smile, frown, begin, end, work, rest, before, after, stand, sit, stop, go, throw, catch, above, below, best, worst, maximum, minimum, bright, dim, expensive, cheap, fair, unfair, innocent, guilty, clever, foolish, empty, filled, fresh, stale, helpful, harmful, major, minor, modern, ancient, natural, artificial, bless, curse, peace, war, innocent, guilty, private, public, come, go, away, funny, sad, external, internal, entry, exit. Write a comment. Like and subscribe for more knowledge.